And does this hurt you here?
When I walk sometimes, if I'm doing too much throughout the day, then yeah.
Okay. We're just going to get started here. And let me know if I'm hurting you. You see how that just peels right off.
It's hard as a rock. Yeah. Hurting that.
Oh yeah, that's going to feel a lot better already.
This is so satisfying.
That's so weird. That was crazy. It's satisfying. But if it wasn't satisfying for y'all, I wouldn't be able to do that. So.
That's very true. I genuinely love my job and my patients. Like it's fun. I feel like I'm hanging out with like friends and family members all day. Plus, I get to do something that's like satisfying for work. It's really cool.
I asked her, I said, you like doing feet every day?
Yeah, she's giving. So you like doing feet? I'm like, what?
Okay, we'll come around to this. What I'll do is I'll do the same thing over and over again all day. Heck, if my life was different every day, I would be uncomfortable, I think.
I was just like one thing. I was just like, you want to see new things. Like, I don't know. I mean, the same thing too. I mean, it's always something you're going to see different every day, for sure.
Yeah, but for the most part, I like my routine.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that'll feel different already. Okay, let's move over to the other here. Let's see steam on it. You can come in closer.
Okay, I just let him know.
No, you're not blocking me anymore. Not hurting you, am I? Yeah, oh yeah. You're gonna feel so much different.
I can't wait. I'll be wearing socks.
I seen you coming with the socks too.
They bad.
Yeah, you don't have your. You
Put
have
the
your
socks
feet
up
out.
for the summer.
Because then, are you coming back out to pick your family member up from school, or they're just gonna fly home?
My daughter? No, she already out here because she in a band.
Okay.
So we moving her out of her band dorm to her off-campus housing.
Gotcha. Okay. So yeah, every time you come on out here, just pull up on us. We'll get you back right.
Yeah, I will be back out here on the 5th to go to that Texas Southern game.
Oh my goodness, that's gonna be a game.
I know, I was going to that.
I was wondering why they would have it so early in the year, though. I thought they would have it later in the year.
I don't know, it's called Labor Day Classic, so I'm gonna be out there. Is that too soon to come back?
We'll see how you feel. This normally lasts about 2 months.
Oh wow.
So maybe if you come back out for like fall break in October or something like that, with it being mid-August. I'm kind of all over the place right now, but let me see what I think. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Looks so good. I'm so happy for you. They're not even my feet.
Crazy.
I'm like genuinely happy too. I'm like in here cheesing like it's my feet.
Because the transformation looks so good.
Mhm.
I scraped and all that, and because they turning dark. Like I felt like my feet dying.
Not anymore. That
Right, you
color
gonna see how
came
bright
off.
they are. They
that
are.
color
They
came
look
right
good.
All right, stop there. And you can come in closer. You're not in my line of sight. I'll tell you if you are. Oh, that's so satisfying. And then under there too. I know that game gets sore.
Is that her bone? Why is it white? Is
It's-
that just the pressure point? Or the...
Yeah, just a pressure point. You ever heard the expression down to the white meat? I knew you were going to laugh off that. No, it's just more or less what you see when there's a pressure point.
And that's where you're going to make the orthotics.
That's where I'm going to make the little pad, yep. To fit and accommodate that. So when you're walking around, you don't have a lot of issues. Oh, these are going to be new feet. I'm excited for you. And there's still more coming, yeah. And now I just kind of feel around and see what I like, don't like, what I could see, couldn't see, and then just kind of scrape whatever else. And once I kind of go through with my methodology, then or with my method. Yeah, you can come in closer. You're not in my line of sight. I'll tell you if you are. Oh, that's so satisfying. I went under there too. I know that game gets sore.
Is that her bone? Why is it white?
It's
Is this the pressure point? Or the...
yeah, it's just a pressure point. You ever heard the expression down to the white meat? I knew you were going to laugh off that. No, it's just more or less what you see when there's a pressure point.
And that's where you're going to make the orthotics.
That's where I'm going to make the little pad, yep. To fit and accommodate that. So when you're walking around, you don't have a lot of issues. Oh, these are going to be new feet. I'm excited for you. And there's still more video. You're not on my line of sight. You can come in a little closer. See now how I hurt my finger the other week. Pushing on this blade constantly. Just kind of hurts my finger.
You can't use the side of your finger, or you always use that?
If I do anything different than how I've normally done it, then I worry about.
Your second.
Yeah.
Well, you can test try me.
That's true. Yeah, that's true. I can try a new technique on one of y'all. Then if my hand slips, you won't be that mad.
Because when you were first learning these techniques in school or whatever, what would y'all practice on, like fake skin or?
We would put wax on something and then work on it, but wax doesn't feel like skin. And then we started playing on each other.
Oh my God.
But I mean, that takes a lot of gumption because you got a 22, 23-year-old and you're like, yeah, you can take this knife to my foot with no experience. Yeah. They're like, okay, yeah, let me try. I'm like, no, let me try on you first.
Let me go first.
So I'm not maimed.
You're right.
Okay. All right, we're good there. Hey, Meta, and recording. All right. They're like, okay, yeah, let me try. I'm like, no, let me try on you first.
Let me go first.
So I'm not maimed.
You're right.
Okay.
You go to the take it.
We're gonna mute it.
You go to the beach and then you put your feet up, or like you're on the lawn chair.
Yeah.
I always put something up on my feet.
You better stop. We gotta go back to the beach now.
I swear I do. I'm not even lying. I do. I put something on my feet.
Well, you live in California, so y'all got all type, man.
No, I don't go to the beach out there.
Really?
It's nasty. I just came from